Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Food Treasure. Here we are with the another recipe. Today we have a vegetarian option, which is cauliflower and potato curry. Let's take a look at the recipe. First we start with the ingredients. Here we have a peel and cube diced potatoes, diced onion, salt, pepper, garam masala, some fenugreek seeds, floret cauliflower, ginger garlic paste, the canned tin diced tomatoes, chopped coriander, dried red chili, and turmeric. First we're going to heat some oil in the flat frying pan. Once it's hot enough, we adding the fenugreek seeds and ginger garlic paste. Fry them well until it turns into golden brown. Then we're going to saute the brown onion. When it turns into golden brown, then we're going to add the red dried chili. Mix them well. Adding some turmeric, so it is kind of natural food color, and then we frying that potatoes. Salt, pepper, you got some of the garam masalas, then we add the cauliflower, floret cauliflower, cover it, and then we're adding the tomatoes. We're covering that one, so it's nearly ready. Basically we're cooking the potato first because potato take longer, and the cauliflower need to be still crunchy, not really soft. We're adding the coriander to finish up. It's very simple. You can eat with roti or naan, or you can simply try with the rice.
Thanks for watching. If you want more such videos, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.